Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken. A very good morning to Sir Gordon. We are from Group A. Our mini project is about smart home with security system. Okay, my name is AZIQRIZWA bin AKMALNIZWA from DEE 4C. My registration number is 20 DEE 19F1803.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Aliff bin Ahat from DE4C. My registration number is 20DE19F1055.
My name is Muhammad ANDIKA bin RAMZEE from DE4C, register number 20DE19F1050.
Okay, then my name is Muhammad AIMAN bin RUSLAN from class DE4C and my registration number is 20DE19F1801. Okay, next.
Okay, so this is the problem statement for our project. Your company has been assigned to design a smart home with security system. The minimum requirement for the system must have 3 isolated alarm sensors to cover 3 exit or entrance, 1 auto gate system, 1 automatic water pump system, and sensors to control indoor and outdoor lighting. All of these functions will be controlled by PIC18F45K22 microcontroller. Your design must be creative, innovative, and elegant to impress the customer in choosing your design. Okay, before we start our project, we always have a brainstorming session on every night by using MS Teams. This is a long-range meeting, so our brainstorming, we discuss about project management. We create the C++ programming based on the project want to produce by using MPLab software. We also need to design the circuit for the equipment, refer to the instruction given by using Proteus software. We need to do problem solving for the project. We need to make and create a designing a smart home with security system. All of equipment and function is controlled by microcontroller that is PIC18F45K22. We also need to do research about project related, like identify the input and output equipment function was used in the mini project or that we need to use in the mini project. We also need to make a detailed study related to the title about security systems. Team building in the project, make a discussion related by a given topic and understand the intent of the questions, exchange opinions with each other for this mini project by make decision online at MS Team.
Okay, next slide show a block diagram for our mini project. Our group use 6 input in this project and 5 output for this project. The first input is switch at a port RA1, switch B at RA0, switch 1 at port RB1, switch 2 at port RB2, switch 3 at RB3, and switch 5 at port RB5. The output we use is motor, 2 motor control water pump and auto gate. Next, the lamp to control indoor and outdoor. Next, 2 output is buzzer, which it control fire alarm and doorbell.
Okay, this is our flowchart. For the first, we will go from start, then while. Okay, for switch 1 on, it will be motor output water pump. Then for switch A on, it will be for motor auto gate moving in forward direction. And for switch B on, it will be for motor auto gate moving in reverse direction. Okay, next for switch 2 on, This is for doorbell buzzer on. Then next for switch 3 on, this is for indoor and outdoor lighting lamp. Then for switch 4, it's for fire alarm buzzer sound. Okay, that's all.
Hi.
So for the coding, I use AutoGate define SWA, port A and RA0 for the reverse, and define SWB, port A, RA for the forward. For auto water pump, I define SW1, port B, RB1, and define water pump LED D, D1. For doorbell, I define switch to port B to RB2, define doorbell LED D to LED D2, and the buzzer LED D to LED D2. For the indoor and outdoor lighting, I define S switch 3 port B RB3 and define lamp LED D to LED D3. And for the last fire alarm, I define switch 4 port B RB5 for fire alarm LED D to LED D5 and define buzzer to LED D to LED D5. And for the void main, I use for the AutoGate is trace A trace A0 for the 0 pin on pin A, and trace A1 to the pin A1 on the PIC 18. For doorbell, it's also on the port B and port B2, and this is for the input and this is for the output. This is a simple coding for DAS 5 output and input. And the loop, I use the simple for the AutoGate. This is for the forward and this is for the reverse motion for the motor. For the if switch 2, I use doorbell equal to 1 and buzzer equal to 1, and switch to 1 equal to buzzer doorbell equal to 0 and buzzer equal to 0. Same also on the water pump, lamp and fire alarm. This is the circuit for the mini project. This is AutoGate. This is doorbell. This is water pump. This is outdoor lighting and fire alarm. And this is a control switch for the indoor outdoor lighting, water pump, doorbell and fire alarm. So this is the simulation. First, to stop this. Run. So first simulation is switch 1 that control water pump. So as you can see, it's moving. And switch 2 for the doorbell buzzer. Switch 3 for the indoor outdoor lighting. And fire alarm buzzer. Lastly, for the AutoGate, this is the forward motion and this is the reverse motion. So that's all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you to Sir Gordon for teaching us in this semester. Thank you for teaching us how to do coding and creating a circuit. So this is our mini project presentation from Group A. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching.